Hello, Rover fans. Remember when we talked the last time about making a piece to repair this bulkhead? Well, that ain't gonna happen. It just seemed like a lot of work, so I'm going to buy something from Rovers North. It's a stainless steel bulkhead weld-in replacement, and we're gonna spot weld that or tack weld that into the Rover and see how it works. So it just seemed like a lot of work to manufacture that thing. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So here's what we have. This is the replacement center console cover, whatever you call it, from Rovers North. It's made of stainless steel, and it fits nicely with a little bit of work in the truck. I've marked it off to go ahead and do some plug welds, attach it to the bulkhead. You can see those marks right around here. And I'm going to use some Cleco fasteners just to hold it in place while I do some welds. The tricky part is attaching the stainless steel to mild steel. I practiced a little bit with my welder, and we're going to give it a shot in a minute. And here's the other side of the footwell. I've made some repairs here. There was a rusted part through here, and otherwise it's in pretty good shape. First time I started working on this, I cut the rusted part of the bulkhead out from the engine compartment, thinking I would install that footwell or that tunnel cover from the engine side, but that's not the way to go. I've learned that the hard way. So we're gonna give it a roll. So these are the Cleco fasteners I was talking about. They come in this nice little bag. I was able to get all these for, I don't know, 30 bucks or so, along with a special tool that fits in this nice little bag. The copper-colored fasteners are for 1/8 inch holes, and these are for, I believe, 1/4 inch holes. I drilled 8-inch holes in the bulkhead around the replacement bulkhead around the section, and then used these as temporary fasteners just so I could get everything positioned. Took a while to, bend things in place and get things to look right, but I'll show you how they work. So you take a fastener, put it in like this in your special tool, then go like that, and you squeeze it, and you can see how that little pointy thing narrows up. You push that in the two holes, let go, and it holds the piece together. So here's the stainless steel welding wire that I ended up getting to use in this thing. They say you can use the 80 or 75-25 mix of argon and CO2, and there's a look at the wire, and you can weld mild steel to the stainless steel with that combination.
And here's the seam sealer I used. Interestingly enough, I got this at, I think it was Napa, and they had to go behind the counter and get it. And it wasn't cheap either, but it certainly will keep the water out. So here's a view from the engine side. You can see the bulkhead welded in place. It's a lot better than mounting it out here. It goes inside, which I learned. I coated this with an etching primer first, and then used a special mix of marine blue to finish it off. Again, it's painted with a brush, but I'm not interested in total restoration concours quality. Hey, thanks for tuning in. That wasn't bad, was it? Took us a while. We made a few mistakes along the way, but hey, that's part of learning how to work on these great machines. Next time, I'm going to make some more sparks for you. In the meantime, like this video and click subscribe, and we'll be back to you.